Buckle up, everyone!
Art 101 with Mr. Burgher.
Scholars, welcome back. It's Art 101 with me, Mr. Burgher. I'm a professional artist and master educator attempting to provide you with the best in art historical content. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, all those things, it's free for you. Why not?
This is my destiny.
Now, there's an artist we've explored before, Maya Lin. We've looked at her a couple times at her work. And I want to focus a little bit on one of her series of works called Wavefields. So let's jump into that. Maya Lin is a very prolific artist who's known for monuments and all kinds of things. We probably most recognize her for her Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C., but she's created lots and lots of works. But the one we're going to focus on today is her series of Wavefields. She would create the first in this series in 1995 called Courtyard Wavefield. This was created at the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, and it's a 10,000 square foot piece of work where she would use scientific data to create ocean waves to scale.
We all know what a water wave looks like, but I'm always trying to get you to take a different look at it. The first wave field is in Michigan. The waves are 3 to 5 feet high. You deliberately can sit in almost a cupped wave, read a book. It's very intimate in scale.
They're here.
In 2005, she had the opportunity to create the second in the series in Miami, Florida.
The second in the series tripled the scale of the site. So from 10,000 it went to 30,000, and the waves were much more reminiscent of how water travels over sand. So these waves were only about a foot high, so it became a very different relationship how you walk through it.
This is blowing my mind!
The third and final work in this series was created between 2007 and 2008 in New York, and this work is called Storm King Wavefield at the Storm King Art Center. And for this one, it's a way bigger scale. They would use a former gravel pit that was 11 acres or 240,000 square feet of area to create this wave field that has waves that spread out 40 feet between the waves and rise as high as 10 to 15 feet above the people that are walking through it.
I wanted to culminate the series with a field that literally when you were in it, you became lost inside it. So the waves had to become much larger than you. These waves range from 12 to 18 feet above your head, and whether you walk through a row of waves or whether you're walking wave to wave from the high to the low, the high to the low, very interested in how it changes.
Now, this is certainly not typical artwork, but it very much communicates in terms of recreation of waves and water on the land. And these wave fields are enjoyed by hundreds of thousands of people every year. So there's got to be something said positive about that. I love that story. Thanks for following along. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Are there any questions?